Is it just Riley has more personality?
Nope.
But I got some more personality.
Stay still, you. Take yours out and put it back in again here.
Well, I got some more colors.
Stop moving yours, Riley.
Okay. Look, mine looks like a cloud.
Now you're starting your bubbling thing.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Yours does pull more green than any other color.
Gara's, you mean? Yeah, it does.
And blue.
Put more green.
Riley! Look.
Riley,
Stop.
sweetie, how many times do you have to be told to hold it still?
That's it. That's cool.
Look, I'm spraying out red and green.
Yeah,
Like magic.
like messy. That may be your magic is messy.
What's mine?
Very purposeful,
What does that mean?
for a very good reason.
Look, I'm protecting
Look,
myself.
mine was doing this.
Look what yours is doing now.
Look, so my magic is stuff for good?
Mine's magic is stuff for good too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yours is stuff for missing. Yours is stuff for not paying attention.
But I like to mix some beautiful.
Look, I'm getting black.
Mm-hmm. There's a little swirl up top here. See it? Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oops. You slipped. That's this red spot here.
Yeah.
Here, look.
whoa, whoa.
Look, ours are getting beautiful and colorful.
Mm-hmm.
Abby, magic.
Look, it's shooting an anchor.
Mm-hmm.
No, it looks like a shoe. shoe. A stinky, stinky, sneaking shoe.